speed. It's a bit messy now, hopefully up. There's the kitchen, which has been completely remodeled, except for the sink. We've got a fridge, stove, kettle, everything we need. This cool lamp came with the boat, so it used to be a kerosene lamp. And when we're out on the water, you can see the waves coming up on these windows. The boat tilts quite a bit. There's Dad at the captain's chair, figuring out what we're doing for the next couple of days because the weather is a bit hectic. Here's the front of the boat, also another sleeping room. That's the motor for the dinghy. Toilet in there, bathroom. Oh, of course we've got a TV. Cool looking nautical clock. Got all our instruments. UHF, VHF radio, chart plotter. This is where we can see the depth, speed that we're travelling, direction and wind speed. Another chart plotter. These had to be replaced because somebody broke into the boat, caused a bit of damage. So out here we have this is Eddystone Point. There's the lighthouse. There were people fishing, but it looks like they're leaving now. I'm not sure if you can see that. The water is very, very green. And we're just figuring out what we're going to do for the rest of the trip, because the plan was to go to Port Arthur, but things don't always go to plan, and the weather is, you can probably hear that wind. So here's the anchor. This is the dinghy. It's inflatable. We had a solid plastic, not solid, we had a hard plastic one. That was terrible. This one's much better. You stick a motor on it or you can row. This is my little sister's kayak, which I think she got for her birthday. It hasn't had much use, but it's there. And back here is where we spend most of our time chillaxing. We got solar panels, antenna for Wi-Fi and radio. This is the autopilot here, which keeps us on course, because otherwise you just steering manually with the rudder is very, very tiring. Dad's been mostly steering the boat on the way here because of the weather. It wasn't very good on the autopilot. And here are our engine controls. So that's about it. I can't actually see this on the screen, so I don't know if I catch a good video. But it's a GoPro, so it should be good.